In the previous video, we already discussed how a 7-day promotion works, which buyers you'll attract at each stage, and where your profit zones are. And we discussed why you may want to shorten the event if you're just starting out with low price products and a simple sales funnel. Now let's develop this idea further and see how you can increase your profits. So here's our 7-day promotion. Normally when a promotion ends, there is a quiet period before you promote your next product. But what you can do is launch the next product a few days after the previous, like so. So where there is normally a dip in sales, you can use the initial spike of sales from the second promotion to fill in the gap. And where there is a dip in sales from the second promotion, it can be compensated by the final sales from the first. So over a 30-day period, you would normally sell 3 to 4 products, which leaves a gap of no sales between promotions and another gap during promotions. By overlapping offers together, you can stagger your promotions one after the other like so, and minimize your profit gaps, and make your sales more consistent throughout the month. This method also works with other types of promotions. For example, if you're selling high-ticket products, there will naturally be long periods between sales. However, if you overlap this with a low-ticket promotion, you can fill in quiet periods with sales. And ironically, what happens is it triggers off more sales of your high-ticket product, because some customers just need to go through one transaction process with you before they buy more products. And people that buy your high-ticket products will more than likely buy your other product, including all the upsells in that funnel. So you end up winning either way. So what does this look like in practice? Let's start with the standard promotion. Here's the first promotion with the product you want to sell, which has 1 or 2 upsells behind it. The first thing you want to do is write an email to tell your readers about the product. And then you add a couple of links that direct them to the sales page. Then you write more emails that go into detail about the product, such as reasons why they should buy it, its features and benefits, what others think about it, and so on. And you keep reminding them to visit the sales page and make a purchase. Each email represents 1 day. So, by the end of 7 days, the promotion is finished. Then, when the promotion is finished, you start another promotion with another product. Again, the product may have 1 or 2 upsells. You write another series of emails, you send them out 1 day at a time. When another 7 days have passed, the promotion is over, and you move on to the next. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Let's take our 2 products again, but this time we'll overlap the promotion. So, in this example, email 1 and 2 promotes the first product. Email 3 and 4 promotes the second product. Email 5 goes back and promotes the first. Email 6, the second. Email 7 and 8 promotes the first again. Email 9 and 10 promotes the second. Email 11 and 12 finishes the first promotion. And finally, email 13 and 14 finishes the second promotion. By promoting 2 products at the same time, you attract the largest amount of buyers in the shortest amount of time possible. Your hyper buyers will have already purchased both products, including the upsells between emails 1 and 6. Your regular buyers will have purchased between emails 7 and 10, and your last minute buyers will have purchased towards the end in emails 11 to 14. So if you have many offers to promote with a small email list, consider overlapping your promotions like this to increase your sales. So here are some key points to note. This technique solves the profit gap problem you naturally get with typical 7-day promotions. By overlapping your offers, you keep your email list clicking and buying your products. It fixes quiet periods and no sell days with high ticket promotions, as it takes more time for a high ticket sale to come in, and not everyone is ready to spend more in one go. You can mix and match promotions with your own product and affiliate offers. So, for example, the first promotion can be your own product, the second promotion can be an affiliate product, and so on. This method attracts all types of buyers on your email list in the fastest time possible. This includes your hyper buyers, your regular buyers, first-time buyers, and eventually converts your spectators as they feel like they're missing out. Most importantly, this technique increases your overall profits. It makes your sales consistent, predictable, and stabilizes your online business. If you like this video, then don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to build your first website to sell your own products, then be sure to visit the official site now from the link below. You'll get over 100 videos that show you what to do step by step. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.